Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 8a, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card into this device. So before you get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which looks similar to this one and comes provided with the device in the box and somewhere between the paperwork. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Next, if you have any kind of case on your device, you will need to remove it. I'm gonna take off mine. And the tray is located at the... oh, there we go. It's located on the bottom left side of the phone where the pin is holding right now. Now, once you have the pin in place, push it in, and you will see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray you have space for just a single SIM card. Place the card with the chip side upwards like so, and then insert it back into your device. Once you do so, the card should start working right away. So there we go. Enter SIM card pin. So I'm gonna enter that. Unlocking SIM. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.